Paragraph of Rabindranath Tagore. Paragraph of Rabindranath Tagore. Introduction. Rabindranath Tagore was a great poet, novelist, painter, a philosopher, and an educationalist. So he is called Vishwakovi. Birth and parents. Rabindranath Tagore was born on 7th May 1861. His parents' names were Devendranath Tagore and Sarada Devi. He was born in Jodasako, Calcutta. Education. In childhood, little Robi did not like to go to school. He was taught different subjects at home. Writings. From his childhood, he started writing poems. His poems are Gitanjali, Lotus, Friend, etc. He won the Nobel Prize in 1913 for Gitanjali. He wrote novels, short stories, essays, and plays, etc. Bhikarini was his first short story. He composed many songs like Janagana Mano, Amar Sonar Bangla, Banglar Mati, Banglar Jol ityadi. Santiniketan. Rabindranath founded Vishwabharati University at Santiniketan. Death. Vishwakovi Rabindranath Tagore passed away on 7th August 1941 but will remain in our memory forever.